Okay, so today I'm showing you something that honestly blew my mind the first time I tried it. I'm talking about SEOWriting.AI's super page feature. And if you do any kind of content creation, blogging, or online marketing, this tool is about to make your life a whole lot easier. Let's start with the end result. Right here, you're looking at a fully optimized, ready to publish web page. It's got structured, SEO-friendly text, clean formatting, images, embed videos, and call to action buttons, placed exactly where you want them. And the craziest part, this took less than a minute to create. No joke, I did not write it. I didn't design it. I didn't even source the media. I just entered a few details, clicked a button, and boom, it did everything for me. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I'll walk you through how the super page tool works, how to customize it for your specific needs, and why I generally think this could replace several other tools you might be using right now. Let's get into it. All right, so let's open up the super page tool in SEOWriting.AI. As you can see, the interface is really simple and focused. This isn't one of those overcomplicated dashboards with a million tabs. It's clean, it's intuitive, and you know exactly where to start. So first up, you enter your main keyword. This is the topic you want to rank for, something your audience is already searching for on Google. Could be a product name, a service, a problem, a how-to, you name it. Next, we add some basic details about your product or offer. Think of this like a quick brief. What are you selling or promoting? What's the key benefit? What should people know? Then you define your call to action goal. Are you trying to get people to buy something, sign up for a newsletter, download an app, book a call? You tell the tool what outcome you're after, and it adjusts the structure of the page accordingly. You also have the option to add a location, which is huge if you're doing a local SEO or targeting a specific market. You can target cities, regions, or countries. Then we get to one of my favorite parts. You select your brand voice, whether you want the tone to be formal, casual, friendly, persuasive, witty, or even technical. You can define how the page should sound. That alone is a game changer, because tone is something AI tools often get wrong, but here it's built in. Now, here's the magic moment. Once you've filled that out, you click Create Super Page. And this is where things get really interesting. Behind the scenes, the AI starts analyzing the current top ranking pages on Google for your keyword. That's called SERP analysis. And it's one of the most powerful parts of this tool. It's not just guessing, it's literally studying the competition, seeing what content is working, and building something designed to outperform it. The result, a complete professional looking web page that's ready to go live. We're talking a fully structured layout with headlines, subheadings, clean paragraphs, images, embed videos, and call to action buttons that drive conversations. And yes, it even formats the page for WordPress. So if you're using WordPress, like most of us are, you can publish it instantly without touching a single line of code. No copying, no pasting, no messing with formatting or trying to fit your content into some weird theme layout. It's just done. And I want to emphasize, this isn't just some generic article. The super page is designed for action. It's meant to rank, it's meant to convert, and it's customizable at every step. For example, you can edit any section of text to better match your product, replace or reorder CTAs, switch out images, or embed your own videos, tweak the tone or expand the content, adjust the structure depending on your funnel. And this makes it perfect not just for SEO, but also for product pages, landing pages, service pages, affiliate content, even email opt-in pages. It's versatile and smart, and it gives you a massive head start on content that would normally take hours or even days to create manually. And here's another thing. If you're someone who outsources content, like hiring writers, designers, or SEO consultants, this can dramatically reduce your costs. It combines all those roles into one tool. Writer, designer, strategist, all in one, and it delivers in seconds. Think about how much time and money that could save you over the course of a month. Let's say you run a small business or you're a solo creator. You need content, but you don't have a full team. This tool becomes your team. Or maybe you do have a team, but they're stretched thin. Now they can focus on strategy while this takes care of the heavy lifting. And if you're an agency, you just found your new secret weapon. Before we wrap up, I want to show you just one last thing, the building page. If you're thinking about giving SEOWriting.AI a try, this is the time to do it. Right now, you can get 25% off your subscription by using the coupon code you see on screen. I've also added it in the video description below for easy copy and paste. Seriously, if you're spending time creating content, this is the kind of tool that pays for itself after just a few uses. I've tested it out personally and it saved me so many hours already. All right, that's it for today's video. Big thanks to SEOWriting.AI for sponsoring this video and giving me early access to the super page feature. If you found this useful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Catch you soon.